Terpene spray for cannabis flower is used to enhance aroma, customize terpene profiles, and restore terpene character to buds that may have lost scent during storage. Many growers refer to terpene spray simply as terp spray, and the process of applying it is straightforward when done correctly. The key is applying a light, even mist, so the terpenes distribute across the flower without oversaturating the buds. Why growers spray? Terpenes on weed. Terpenes are the aromatic compounds responsible for the scent and flavor of cannabis flower. During drying, curing, and storage, some of these volatile molecules can gradually dissipate. Because of this, growers and processors sometimes spray terpenes on weed to restore aroma to cannabis flower, enhance terpene profiles, maintain consistent scent between batches, customize strain aroma characteristics. When applied properly, terp spray enhances the aromatic character of the buds without changing cannabinoid potency. Step by step, how to spray terpenes on flower. Step 1. Start with clean cannabis flower. Place the cannabis buds or flower into a clean container or tray. Make sure the buds are evenly spaced so the mist can distribute across the surface. Step 2. Use a fine mist spray system. A terpene spray gun or terpene spray machine works best because it produces a controlled atomized mist. Fine atomization allows terpene droplets to settle evenly across cannabis flower rather than creating heavy wet spots. Precision spray systems, such as the Spray Master by Terps USA, are designed specifically for applying terp spray to cannabis flower using an air-pressurized atomizer rather than aerosol chemical propellants. Step 3. Apply a light mist. Hold the terp sprayer about 6 to 12 inches away from the buds and apply a light mist across the surface of the cannabis flower. For most applications, 1-2 sprays per eighth, 3.5 grams, is a good starting point. The goal is balanced distribution, not saturation. Step 4. Allow the buds to rest. After applying terp spray, allow the cannabis flower to rest for 10 to 30 minutes so the terpene aroma can integrate evenly. Some growers allow the buds to sit longer in a sealed container to allow the terpene profile to settle into the flower. Why spray equipment matters. The quality of the spray system can affect how evenly terpenes distribute across buds. Standard spray bottles can produce larger droplets, which may lead to uneven coverage. A terpene spray gun or terpene spray machine produces a finer mist that distributes terpene molecules more evenly. The Spray Master Terpene Spray Machine by Terps USA uses a precision atomization system designed for terp spray application on cannabis flower and buds. This controlled mist helps maintain the natural structure of the flower while enhancing aroma. Terp spray for cannabis flower. Terpene spray for cannabis flower is typically formulated with botanical terpene compounds extracted from plants. These natural aromatic molecules mimic the terpene profiles found in cannabis. Many terp spray formulations are packaged in amber glass bottles, which help protect terpenes from light exposure and preserve aroma integrity. Since 2019, Terps USA has focused on botanical terpene spray systems and precision application tools designed specifically for cannabis flower and buds. Explore terp spray options. If you want to enhance aroma or restore terpene character to cannabis flower, you can explore terp spray blends designed for buds and weed here. https://terpsusa.com, collections/shop all collection copy. For precision application using a terpene spray gun or spray machine, learn more about the Spray Master Terp Sprayer here. https://terpsusa.com/products Terps USA Spray. Master spraying terpenes on cannabis flower is a simple process when done with a light, even mist. Using a precision terpene spray machine or atomizer helps distribute terp spray evenly across buds while maintaining the natural structure of the flower.